Tomorrow, a couple of people are going to visit the premises, and we will get to decide who's going to live here.
So who is paying the rent?
Money is not a problem. My father is into oil and gas all across the globe.
I need a favor. Could you double my rent so I can get more money from my uncle?
Hey, there is no way in this world she's staying here.
I am getting this apartment for my client. He likes to keep a low profile.
He is very thorough.
Deal or no deal?
Deal. You are welcome to number 13 Young Avenue.
Can you sing the national anthem?
For Ghana?
No, Mexico. Of course, Ghana.